Hello, kindergarten parents and students. In this video, you will see how to navigate your Schoology account. First, we suggest using Schoology through the internet, the Safari app on the iPad, rather than using the Schoology app. This makes opening resources easier and is overall more student-friendly. When your child logs into their Schoology account, they should see their course dashboard. On this course dashboard, they should find their teacher's course, find kindergarten homeroom, or look for their teacher's Bitmoji picture. Their kindergarten homeroom is where they will find daily assignments. Once in their homeroom, they will see their teacher's Bitmoji classroom. For this video, I'm using an example course with all kindergarten teachers, so your child's course will look a little different. Under the Bitmoji classroom are clickable buttons to take them to different resources. Once they click the button, a new tab will open for that resource. To close, simply click the X. Below the buttons are folders that house your students' assignments and resources. For example, Daily Calendar will be utilized every day. Simply click to open the folder and watch or do each assignment that's listed in the folder. To find daily assignments, find the week you are working in, find the day, and do each assignment listed. Each assignment will open with directions on how to submit as well. On the left-hand side, under Materials, is the Updates. I'm going to show you the difference between Materials and Updates. So this is your teacher's news feed. So here they may post important announcements, news, and other things that are just a quick update for the class. For example, I've posted an update as well as each teacher's Bitmoji classroom so you can see what to look for when finding their teacher's homeroom course. On the top right, next to your student's name, you will see a bell. This is where notifications will go. So when assignments are posted and different things happen in a course, this is where they will get notification. Next to that is an envelope. This is for their messages, if they receive a message or they want to send. If they want to send, they'll click New Message, type their teacher's name, write a message, or record themselves with the microphone. Next to that is a calendar, which will show you a monthly, weekly, or daily view of assignments. For more questions about Schoology, please ask your child's classroom teacher. Thank you for watching.